Yo, it's your boy. Hold up. Yeah. Sorry about that, y'all. Welcome back to another episode of Real Talk with M2X, man. Hold up, y'all, man. Look, hold up. Peep the fit, bro. Hold up. You gotta get the Bud piss water light in there. You feel me? A redneck shit, man. With the boots, you feel me? Got the crossbow right here, you feel me? Yes, sir. We on some redneck shit. Anyway, look, man, it's Halloween. Well, tomorrow's Halloween. So I'm getting a little outfit ready because I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna enjoy myself and have a good time. But welcome back, y'all. I know a lot of people are coming from my last video. That video is kind of going up right now. Well, it is going up right now. And really, in this video, I want to talk to y'all about what I'm going to be doing to quit my addiction. And I already started doing it. I'm 2-3 days clean right now. You feel me? And basically, it's like a little, like, not vlog, but like just something I'm telling y'all that's helping me quit my addiction. Cause I really sat down with myself and I'm like, bro, if I don't stop, like I said in the last video, Lord, like I feel like that shit gonna kill me, bro. Like, you feel me? Because it's like I got so much brain fog. I feel like I got more purpose in this life type shit. Like, it may not kill me physically, but it's gonna lead to shit that's gonna kill me emotionally, all that shit, man. But yeah, man. So the first thing that I'm doing is November 1st, I made it official. I'm just gonna delete Instagram, man. And I'm gonna stand to my word because I know that's one of my big caveats on why I haven't quit my addiction fully yet. Because, like I said, that shit triggers me to go back into viewing other things. You feel me? Other things that I'll start going on Instagram for just looking at feeds and stuff, and then on the explore page you'll have a girl with her ass out. Then it's like a cave. You dive deeper and deeper. It's like a rabbit hole. Then you click on the next girl, swipe up, then you swipe right, then you go through her following, see who she's following, then you see somebody she's following, and now it's an OnlyFans model. Then you get distracted with another video that has nothing to do with that. Then you scroll again, oh, like, fuck, I was just doing this. Boom, now you on the OnlyFans, now you on the Reddit, now you're back in the bed, and now you're in your head, man. So Instagram gone, man. November 1st gone. And what a great time to do this shit, man, when NNN is coming back. No Nut November, you feel me? So if y'all watching this video right now, man, don't mind a redneck, none of that shit, man. If you a redneck, a fucking nerd, you feel me? It don't matter what you are, bruh. Everybody deals with this addiction, you feel me? Whether you believe it or not, everybody it comes in all shapes, sizes, forms, color. I want you to start today. And if not today, like I said, y'all are grown men, y'all can do whatever y'all want, but I'm encouraging y'all to start today or November 1st, which is in 2 days, or tomorrow, because I'm gonna be posting this video on Halloween. So yeah, y'all start November 1st, man. And I don't want you to just do No Nut November. I want you to do this shit full on for the rest of your life, bro, because that's what my plan is. You feel me? Yeah, so the first thing is get rid of Instagram, social media. The only thing I may keep right now is TikTok, just because I'm opening up a TikTok shop where I can earn money and stuff like that. So that's the only thing. But I'm gonna limit myself on that, man. The second thing that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna be putting on more restricted blockers. So on Reddit, there's a thing where you could turn off NSFW photos. You can blur them. I'm putting that on, man, because you get curious sometimes and like you just going like, it don't hurt to look. But the main thing is to stop looking at porn. So what my problem is, I won't even masturbate or nothing like that. I just look at it and then keep going on about my day. And it's just like, you feel me? We all do that shit. Like, we're men. We're naturally attracted to sexual things, but that's not the right thing to be attracted to. We're supposed to be attracted, not just sexually, to a woman. We're supposed to be attracted to a woman in beauty. We're supposed to be attracted by her personality, not just sex, man. Especially not on a fucking screen, man. So yeah, that's the second thing. Put more blockers on Reddit, on my phone with the Safari, all that, man. The third thing that I'm gonna be doing is I gotta stay productive, man. Like, I just got to Like, I've been in the gym these past 2 days and I've been feeling good. So I gotta stay in this gym, bro. That's the only way that I feel that I'm gonna relieve my stress. Because yeah, hunting and stuff relieves my stress. But if I'm sitting there, I'm gonna be bored out of my mind. If I got my phone with me, I may fall back into it. But if I'm in the gym, I'm not gonna watch that shit in the gym. I'm gonna be making good dopamine, getting good dopamine hits, not false little fake dopamine hits from watching porn. I'm gonna be in the gym lifting weights, man. Another thing I'm gonna be doing is I need to go out and start talking to more people, man. Like, my anxiety is real bad. Like I said, it's not fully because of the pornography, but it's also childhood trauma. But childhood trauma induces addictions, which induce my pornography addiction, because I'm not really into drugs like that. Or at all. I don't like drugs. I don't like alcohol, none of that shit. So yeah, I gotta get out of my comfort zone, man. I gotta start talking to people more. I gotta stop being scared. Like, and I don't even be scared. Like, I don't like fucking people, and that's not right. You feel me? People say, "Oh, you antisocial and shit like that," and everyone thinks it's fine to be antisocial, but it's really not. We're human. We're supposed to connect. We're a communicative. I don't know the word. We're like we have to communicate. We have to be around people. We can't be isolated. It's not good for our mental health. We are meant to be social. That's the word. We're supposed to be social. We're social creatures. So I got to get out and do that and stop being scared. Because why should I be scared just talking to somebody, man? They're human just like me. They're no better than me, and I'm no better than them. That's how we have to look at it. Another way that I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna have to start really toning in on what I have to get done, my purpose. Really, like, focus on growing my business, my Amazon business, my e-commerce business, any business that I have. Those are the main ones that I'm focusing on right now. And if I focus fully on that, I won't even have no time to think about doing that. I may be a little bit more stressed, where it may make me feel like, damn, I want to do that. But no, if I'm stressed, go to the gym, get that shit out. You feel me? And lastly, really just be around people that will take my mind off shit like that. So, like, I might pick up a new hobby for real. I may just start going to boxing classes. I gotta find a hobby that I want to do, but going to boxing classes, going to conferences, going to meetups where there's people that I want to be like. I want to be like a millionaire. I want to be a millionaire. I want to be like successful people. I don't want to be like a creep, bro. I don't want to be like, anybody watches porn, bro, you're a creep. And, like, I'm gonna just say it like that. Like, it's creepy, bro. Like, you really sitting out in your bed. If you're a girl, if you're a man, anybody who watches is creepy, bro. You're really sitting through your screen watching. I mean, I look like a creep right now. I ain't gonna cap, bro. But yeah, you just sitting through your screen watching two other people or more have sex, man, and it's just not right. So yeah, like I said, those are the ways that I'm quitting this addiction. Like I said, I'm 2 or 3 days clean. I'm not keeping track because it's not healthy to keep track. You should just do it and not even worry. It's not a game. You feel me? But yeah, man, I'm really in this journey really this time because I got too much shit to lose, bro. I gotta be something great. I know I'm more than fucking a screen in my hand and some lotion, bro. And like, not a lot on YouTube. There's a few people that talk about it, but I feel like I'm one of the ones that actually give y'all the full me, like, not try to hide. And you feel me? Because at the end of the day, if you're watching this video, you beat your meat before, bro. So I'm not gonna sit up here and act like I never did that shit. I'm not gonna sit up here and act like I'm perfect. You feel me? No, we all did that shit. So at the end of the day, like, I'm gonna just keep it real with y'all. You feel me? I'm not gonna cap on camera. I'm gonna keep it real and let y'all know shit. You feel me? But yeah, man. Those are the ways. Some of the ways, because I know I'm gonna find more. But those are the main ways that I'm gonna really stay focused on this journey and not relapse on this addiction, man. And anything I just said, y'all take with you, and hopefully y'all can be in this journey with me. DM me on Instagram. I'm going to be making this group chat. DM me on Instagram. It's MEEECH2X on Instagram, right? Just gonna make a Reddit or probably a Telegram. I'm probably gonna make a Telegram or a WhatsApp account. You feel me? Just something that we all could connect on, man. But yeah, if y'all got any tips for me helping me get through this, And what y'all are using for y'all. I know some people were saying journaling. I'm gonna start that too. That's another thing. Let me know down in the comments below, man. And yeah, with that being said, happy Halloween, man. Hope y'all stay safe, stay disciplined, and what was the other shit I be forgetting sometimes? Stay safe, stay disciplined, and stay motivated, man. I don't even know if I said it right. I'm just all over the place right now because I'm feeling good. But with that being said, man, I will catch y'all in the next video, man. Gang.